So now that we knew how to create and write and delete things from a file, we need to learn how to read a file, how to get data or how to get text from a specific file and read it or print it out. How can we do that? Well, it's very important to create a function that does that, because you might want to kind of get data or text from a file and print it out in your terminal or in your script console or in a program, or even if you are building an advanced program or advanced application, web application, or even a desktop application, you might want to print data from a specific file. So let's now create a new function that will read data from a file. So I'm going to create a new function, and I'm going to say here read data, and obviously it's going to take the path or the file name, but I'm going to pass the path itself because we always want to pass the complete path, the folder, and then the file that is inside that path. And then inside it we can use with and then open, and then we need to open the file or the path, the complete path which contains the file, in the RT mode in order to read what's inside that file. And then I'm going to say here as if, as file, as if, and then we can simply print what's inside that file. But we need to loop over the line, so I'm going to say for and then line, each line inside that file, in file, in F,